All right, so now we're going to basically on all these problems, we're going to do PEMDAS, right? Order of operations. So we're going to do please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Everybody should know that. One time this kid said, "What was that called, Mr. Adams?" It was let my Uncle Fred go to the store or something. I don't know. They tried to make something funny, but it was, I don't know, I thought it was funny. So, anyways, so if I give you something like this and I say 18 times the quantity 17 minus 2.3, okay, we're going to go through and we're going to do the parentheses first. So that means I got to do the work inside the parentheses first. So I'm going to focus on 17 minus 2.3. Now, when I do that, that becomes 14.7. Okay. But do I just get rid of the 8? No, that just stays right here. Now, when I have a number outside of something in parentheses, that really means to multiply. But before I multiply, I got to double check. Do I have any exponents? No. So the next step is multiply. That's what we have left to do is multiply. 8 times 14.7 ends up being 117.6. Am I writing that big enough for you guys to see in the back? Can you guys see that okay? Okay, good. So that's that one. That's a pretty, I don't want to say easy problem because it trivializes it, but it was not as hard as some other problems could be. So let's do another one, okay? So on this next one, we're going to say 14 plus 6 all over 12 minus 7. Now on these, you got to think of the numerator as like being in parentheses, and you got to think of the denominator as being like in parentheses. So what's 14 plus 6? 20. What's 12 minus 7? 5. Now remember that this is the same as 20 divided by 5. So that would be what, 4? So that particular one is 4. Woo. Oh, I better have another Mountain Dew. I burned myself out already. It's just now 10 o'clock. Let's do one more example. Are you giggling at me or at him? Either way, it's making me uncomfortable. All right, let's do one more. We'll call it good. So now this one's a little more challenging, okay? So let me write this out. I've got 5 times 36 minus the quantity 13 plus 9. So when we go to do the parentheses here, right, because we got to do parentheses first, technically I have 2 sets of parentheses, right? So we got to do the innermost work first. You got to go the innermost. So I'm going to say 5 times whatever this stuff is, 36, minus whatever 13 plus 9 is. What's 13 plus 9? You're close, yeah. Carry the 1. Actually, 22, right? Shh, you guys relax. It's fine. So now in the next step, I'm going to say 5 times, what's 36 minus 22? 14. 36 minus 22. Yeah, I know. Eventually, you'll get used to it. Every time I start teaching a new class, the kids will say, "Your 5s look like S's. Is that an S or a 5?" Well, I wouldn't just insert an S. I wish I could change it, though. I've been writing that way forever. So what's 5 times 14? 70. So that's the answer for that one. Let me zoom out a little bit just in case you guys are. Okay.